Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove parental control from Roblox. So, let's get started. First things first, open Roblox on your PC. Once you are in. Now, click on these three dots right here to open up the menu. When you click on it, a new screen will appear. Next, navigate to Settings. It should be somewhere in the drop-down menu. When you click on the settings, it will be open in front of you. Once you're in Settings, look for Parental Controls. Once you find it, click on it. After some loading, Parental Control settings will be open in front of you. You'll see that the parent PIN is enabled. We need to turn that off. Just click on this switch to disable it. Now, depending on your settings, you might be prompted to enter a PIN. If that's the case, you'll need to ask your parents for the PIN code. Enter the PIN, and you should be good to go. Also, while you're here, make sure to adjust the settings to what's suitable for you. You can set it to be suitable for a specific age group that you're comfortable with. And that's it. You've successfully removed parental controls from Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.